welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create a natural wearable blue, kind of a turquoise eyeshadow look, and it's more of a cool tone look as well, so it's super wearable. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is grabbing my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Concealer. And I'm just going to be using that as a primer. So I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid with my BH number 9 brush. And then as always, I'm going to blend that with a damp beauty sponge and then set that in place with some translucent powder. And that's just going to help us blend out our eyeshadows. So the first shadow that I'm going in with is this single shadow from Anastasia called Vanilla. And I'm just going to be taking my Zoeva 234 brush. And I'm just going to apply that as my brow bone highlight. Lately I've been liking a more matte brow bone highlight, which is really weird for me because you guys know me, I usually use a really shimmery light color. But I am switching it up this time. And then for my crease, I'm going into the single shadow by Anastasia called Custard. And this is a really nice muted light shade, which I find is perfect for a cool tone look. And I'm just going to be grabbing my Morphe M412 brush to apply that to the crease, going in back and forth motions. And that's going to be our transition shade. So next I'm going to be grabbing this single shadow from Anastasia called Buon Fresco, and it's this really beautiful cool tone mauve eyeshadow. And I'm just going to be grabbing my Morphe R44 brush to apply this to my crease, and it is a defined angled brush. And I'm just going to be drawing out my line above my actual crease. And the nice thing is when we went in with that transition shade, we kind of laid down a background so it doesn't look so harsh and it's going to be easier to blend out. And we're going to go back in with that Morphe M412 brush and some more of that custard to really make sure that everything is nice and blended.
Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Next, I'm going to be taking this clay pot from Tarte Cosmetics called Unicorn Kisses. And I really love using a clay pot that is a certain color that is the same color as the eyeshadow that we're going to be applying, because it just makes it that much more vibrant and it just pops a lot more than if you were to just go in with a shadow. And the lines on this weren't super sharp, but that's okay because we're going to go in with the shadow and really define everything on the lid. So I'm going in with the single shadow from Anastasia called Venice, and I really love this eyeshadow. As you guys can see, it's super foiled, and it does give off a little bit of hints of green too. And I just packed that all over the lid using this flat brush from Dose of Colors. And then for lashes, I went in with my Sofie Bella Bali lashes. And the link for our lashes is always going to be in the description box for those of you that want to support our company. And then for my inner tear duct, I'm using my Pop Beauty Celestial Light highlighter and this really small detailed brush from Dose of Colors. And then now I'm taking my LA Girl black pencil and I'm just going to be putting that in my waterline. And then going back in with that Anastasia single shadow in the shade Buon Fresco, I'm just going to be taking a Luxie Beauty brush. I don't know what it's called because it doesn't have a name on it. But I'm just going to be applying that to my lower lash line on the outer corner, just fading it inwards, but mainly focusing that on the outer corner. And then I'm going to go in, or I did go in with some lower lash mascara, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to support our videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.